Welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, this channel was created to enable people to have financial freedom by learning different ways to make money online in 2022. To further support this channel, please subscribe and leave a like button to my videos. Well, today we would be looking at 3 new ways to make money online 2022. 1. Become a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you'll offer a range of remote services to businesses. Tasks usually include appointment scheduling, marketing and event management, among others. Many business executives don't have time for small tasks, but these tasks are essential to the smooth operation of a company. This is where you step in. Working as a remote virtual assistant offers ample freedom. You can work from home, on holiday or in a cafe. You can set your hourly rates, and the initial investment is low. You can also determine the tasks you'll offer, meaning you can do what you enjoy. To reach clients, you'll need to set up a website to market your business. One of the most beginner-friendly platforms to use for this is Webflow. Alternatively, take advantage of platforms such as LinkedIn, which is an excellent tool for reaching out to specific people in different companies and industries. 2. Fiverr Gigs. Providing gig on Fiverr is where you offer your services for a fixed fee. This service can be anything, like video editing, graphic design, market research, to name a few. Anybody who needs these services can place an order with you, whether that's an individual or a company. Gigs start from £3 but can reach anywhere up to £500, depending on how specialized the service is that you're offering. Getting started on Fiverr is straightforward. Sign up as a seller and create your profile. This page will be the first thing prospective customers see, and when competing with hundreds of other similar services, a sleek profile can be the make or break in closing a sale. To stand out against the competition, make sure your profile appears as professional as possible and include a portfolio of your work if you can. Having video content on your profile to pitch your gigs has been proven to increase sales. Consider adding short descriptive videos to your page to explain a bit about you and the service you'll provide. 3. Write and publish an ebook. 72% of publishers now publish books digitally. Electronic books, or ebooks, are available on any electronic device, from tablets, phones and computers to specifically designed ebook readers, such as a Kindle. Ebooks have made publishing a book far more accessible. It's an easy way to make a passive income. Websites such as Amazon allow you to self-publish and sell ebooks for free. If you enjoy writing or want to share a passion for a particular subject, you can write an ebook yourself and publish it online. Writing an entire book can be tricky. It's easiest to stick to a topic you know. Non-fiction tends to be a more accessible category than fiction. Once you've written your text, choose appropriate formatting. It's best to use a sans serif text such as Verdana or Arial in size 11 or 12 to enable easy reading. Next, you'll need a professional book cover. Despite the well-known saying, consumers really will judge the content by its cover, and a catchy design can go a long way in selling your ebook. If you don't have experience in graphic design, you can outsource this task to a designer on ebook launch, where covers cost £75 on average. Alternatively, you can find a designer on Fiverr, which tends to be a cheaper option. Thank you for watching this video today. I really hope you got some insights from it, and you can start making some money for yourself in 2022. Hope to see you in the next video. Make sure to leave a like and check the description below. Bye for now.